The initiative that we are doing is bringing the people in so that everyone learn a little bit, adopt a green habit and move on from there.
I sign up for as many events as possible, really to learn about the different initiatives that we have.
My hope is that everyone who comes to attend will take home the key message that SP takes the sustainability challenge seriously.
We see for ourselves firsthand how e-waste recycling is done here and why is it important.
My son really likes to do cleanups. He thinks it's very important for the environment.
Because I want to protect the ocean.
I'm a huge sustainable fashion fan, so very excited to be here.
I hope everyone that comes through Greenhouse feel inspired to reimagine their own homes and to see that actually sustainable living is not that hard and that they can start with small habits.
I really enjoy planting the vegetables. I think it's really important that everyone should learn how to plant vegetables.
My little micro seeds. There's one wish I want Singaporeans to do is to learn how to grow a kangkong maybe.
One thing I hope participants will take away from our event is how important it is for Singapore to know our relationship with water.
Don't ever think that your one effort is too small because small ripples will create big waves of change.